prone O. We're gonna be on our stomach. Bracing is king here. You wanna do your best to not compensate into your low back. So when we go down to the ground, we're gonna really cue our glutes turned on, chest pushed into the floor, so that way we're isolating the motion in our shoulder joints and you're not moving in your spine as a result of that. If you have limited mobility in your shoulders, this movement's gonna really expose that. So when I get to the ground, head on the ground, chest pushed into the ground, I'm gonna get my abs tight, tuck my butt under me. I'm gonna squeeze my shoulder blades toward the ceiling, toward the middle of my spine. Hands are gonna get up as high as they can. I'm gonna come around the world, rotating my hands, full overhead, come behind my head, back overhead, rotate back around, and then keeping my shoulder blades high, I'm gonna reach up my back. That would be 1. Do your best to not lose that bracing. The second you lose the bracing, you're gonna start moving through your back and you don't feel it as much in your shoulders.